Hello and welcome. Instagram's latest update now gives you full control over how your profile feed looks, and the best part, you don't need any third-party apps to do it. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to edit your Instagram grid using the new built-in Edit Grid feature. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, find a post you want to move. Tap and hold your finger on the post. After a second, a new option will appear. It's called Edit Grid. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll be able to drag and drop the post to a new position anywhere within your profile grid. You can do this for multiple posts, rearranging them to match your personal style, brand aesthetic, or just to clean things up. This feature is great for creators, influencers, small businesses, or anyone who wants to make their Instagram page look more polished and professional. And don't worry, moving a post on your grid doesn't delete it or affect the likes and comments. It just changes how it appears in your profile layout. Once you're happy with the new order, just tap Done and that's it. With just a few taps, you've customized your Instagram feed exactly how you want it to look. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick social media tips. Thanks for watching.